will review some of the Asian snacks. So let's see how my boys reacted or how do they find the taste of each of the snacks. So the first one is this one. Wow! It's Yuki Hana. Yuki Hana is a snack made in Vietnam. So ito ay gawa sa crispy rice with honey. Yan. So try natin. Bigyan natin si Aker. One for you and for Kuya. Let's open this. Ito siya. Ayan. Crispy rice. How does it taste, ARC? So, maganda yung packaging niya. And sa loob nito ay mayroong 15 na ganitong klase. Akala ko nga nung una parang fortune cookie. How does it taste, guys?
It's really good.
It's yummy?
Yummy.
How about you, Aker? Is it yummy?
It's
Oh, galing. And then the second one is naka-Chinese character. Kaya hindi ko makita.
Easy lemon squeezy.
Ching-ching at chung-chung-king. Ayan. Ang cute lang. Parang Pinocchio lang. Pero ang nakalagay dito is peanut crisp salty flavor. So open na natin. Ang cute ng packaging. So tingnan natin kung nakaka-happy din yung lasa. And open na natin. Madali lang siyang buksan. Tapos, yung itsura niya parang KitKat. KitKat na Chinese. One for you, and one for you.
Oh my God!
Sige, magta-try din si Mama.
Oh my God!
You have to tear off like this. Oh! Ang saya lang.
Ang saya!
Okay na. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ni Aker. Pag open mo, buo-buong mani. Akala ko parang si Aker hindi masyado maano sa... It's tigas! It's tigas! Ito kasi yung itsura niya, guys.
Wow! It's sayap!
Tawag dito? Bite size na... Yung parang mani na may panutsa sa atin. Yan.
It's so tigas.
May sesame seed. Tapos, salted na matamis.
It's good.
Tapos malalaking butin ng mani. Masarap naman. How do you find it? How is it? Is it nice? Sarap? How about you, Aker? Do you like it? Ayaw mo. Ikaw, Ashley.
Good job!
Who needs water? Yung tayo tubig. So, ready na ba kayo sa pangatlo?
Yeah.
Ang pangatlo ay ang lychee jelly made in Taiwan. So, product of Taiwan. Lychee. Favorite ko ni Mama, lychee.
Wait till the door like
Parang jelly is sa atin.
that.
So, this is lychee flavor. Medyo malaki siyang version, no?
Really like it.
Jelly na lychee. One for you. And one for RC. And one for Mama. Let's try this. Okay, dahil struggling kayo sa pag-open, ako mag-open. Ito, open mo. Ay, natanggal yung pinakahilahan. Naku po. Huwag niyo nang struggling kami ah. Ay, struggling talaga to. Uy, medyo matubig.
Wow!
Uy. Ay, parang siyang mogu-mogu. Tingnan nyo. Meron siyang maliit na... May maliit na mga tidbits ng lychee. Ito na lang kay Aker. Nakain mo na, Aker, RC? Ayan! Natanggal sa cup. Ano ba yan? Sobrang malambot nga lang. Watery siya. Oh. Ayan, mommy hacks. Kailangan natin ng tissue. How is it? Is it yummy? Ayun. Dapat pala, wag mo kakagatin yung pinaka-nakalawit na ano. Masarap. Lasang lychee na jelly. Hindi siya gaano matamis, no? And watery siya. Siguro, mas maganda to kung... Oh, yummy. Very good na very
It's
good.
water, Mama.
Oo.
It's like
Mas
water.
masarap to pag nilagay natin sa ref. Medyo malamig-lamig.
I'm stuck here.
And then, nakakagat mo yung maliit na bits ng lychee.
Lychee.
So, ang pang-apat natin is itong taro fruit bites. Taro, as in Gabi. Taro fruit bites. Wow. And it is also made in Taiwan.
Mama, yun.
Shout out sa mga taga-Taiwan at sa mga kakilala ko na nag-work sa Taiwan at nasa Taiwan pa rin. At ayun na po, may experience po namin yung
This one, Mama.
taro fruit bites. Actually, siguro magkakalahi sila noong isang lychee. Isa lang din ang tatak, yung ABC. So, it comes with different flavor like strawberry, mango, pineapple, peach, and pomegranate, and dragon fruit. May coconut din, may ubas. Ang dami. Mamimili ka.
I'm gonna open this one, Mama.
So, try natin. Abo, ang galing ni Kuya na open din. So, ganun din. Medyo watery.
Wow, it's
Siguro kasi
water.
mainit yung panahon dito. Kaya pag open natin, malambot na kami. And then, amoy na amoy mo agad pag open yung aroma ng taro.
Open na, Mama.
And then, ganun din katulad ng sa lychee, merong maliliit na bits.
Open na, open.
Oo. Katulad sa lychee, may maliliit ding bits ng taro naman. So, let's try.
It tastes like good.
Sarap.
There's water, Mama.
It's okay. Nag-enjoy po yung nanay. Oo, yun yung yun yung mahirap pag may mga snack akong naiipon para sa mga kids. Nadadamay pati kami ni Rowie. Balik pagkabata. Masarap. Tapos sulit yung isang cup. Madami. Mas masarap siya kung naka-refrigerate siya. Nabubusog na tayo
Ito, di ba?
Sarap?
Saya po.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Thumbs up po. Thank you, Mama.
How about you, Aker? Sarap ba?
Yeah, I'm
Huwag ka na, dito ka na. Next naman, ang aming panglima sa snack namin ay ang... Ano ba ito, Binak? Crispy seaweed. Yes. Made in Korea. Korean product. Okay.
Korean water, Mama.
Okay, dahil mahaba siya. Talaga namang pang siya. Yung babalutin kasi natin dito yung rice, tsaka yung meatloaf, or yung, ano ba? Meatloaf. Ayan. One whole sheet of paper. O, dahil hating magkakapatid, hating mag-iina tayo, ha? Walang dayaan. Just to taste, just to try. Ayan. Kasi baka mamaya maanghang. Kasi merong salty na flavor nito, tapos meron din namang wasabi flavor. Gusto ko naman din yung wasabi. Wasabi flavor. O, tama na. O, eat the seaweed na. Let's try! Attack! Sarap. Actually, meron talagang chichirya nito na version. Pero ang binili ko ito kasi nga ibabalot ko yung kanin dito. Saka yung fried egg, saka yung meatloaf. Sarap.
Why you always lying?
Is it yummy? Sarap. Okay, thumbs up. Sarap. Mukhang nagustuhan ni Aker.
Sarap po.
Sarap po. Sarap. We can eat this all day, no? Ang aming pang-anim is, syempre naman, our very own Mr. Chips. Corn chips made in the Philippines.
Good, Mama. It's little chips.
Corn chips. Oh, dalawa sa'yo.
Oh my God.
Dalawa din sa'yo.
Oh my God.
Sarap ba? Actually, ang nandito sa amin, yung mga non-flavored kasi merong dip na binibilham. Old Dutch. Meron kaming bisita. Masarap ba?
Mabilis ka
Teka lang.
manunubol.
And then, yung aming pang 7th snack is syempre, again, our very own Stick-O.
Bulat siyang kugan
Meron pong chocolate, mocha,
Chocolate?
strawberry, ube, and pandan. So, ang pinili ni Mama naman ay pandan. And meron kaming guest, si Kenke. Si Kenny. Tingin ka dun sa camera, dali.
Kugan
How does it taste?
Good. Good.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Oh my God, your buhok mo is so long. Stop. Ay, yaya ba?
Is it yummy? Yummy ba?
Yaya po ko.
Ano pa?
Here, pupo si Papa.
And yung last natin, sa ibang vlog na lang yung ibang snack, is yung our very own fish cracker.
No, it's hang eh.
It's not maanghang.
Look,
One
I'll
for
try it.
you. I'll try this.
It's not hang.
Hindi pa makamove on si Aker sa
Not hang.
sa Mr. Chips.
Not hang.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. It's my
Thumbs up or thumbs down? What do you think, Ken? Is it yummy? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up! How about you, RC? Down for you? Doon ka tumingin. Bakit down? Doon ka tumingin sa camera. Bakit down? Ay, up. Okay, Aker, thumbs up or thumbs down? Of all the snacks that we've tried, which one do you like? RC. Which one do you like in all that we've tried? Yung jelly, yung peanut, yung rice quiz. Anong favorite? Halos lahat masarap, no? Oops, nag-choke na siya. RC. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you like our video on trying our snacks, and maybe in the future we will try new ones. Kung ano yung mga pwede nilang kainin. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates to our new videos. And mag-like na rin kayo and mag-comment kayo. Thank you so much. And don't forget that every day is new challenges in life, so don't be afraid to try something new and be better. That's it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.